Hello! Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're practicing with American pronunciation. The situation: I go to the store, I go to pay, and I realize I forgot my wallet. So I say, I forgot my wallet. I gotta run out to my car. I'll be right back. Let's look at each line. First line, I forgot my wallet. We see with forgot, we don't say for, we say fur, like burger. Fur, forgot. I forgot my wallet. Wallet, we have a stop T. We don't say wallet. We put our tongue up and we stop the air. Wallet, wallet. I forgot my wallet. The next line, I gotta run out to my car. I gotta run out to my car. We see gotta is I got to. Originally, I've got to. But in American English, we don't always say I've. Sometimes we do, and sometimes we don't. With this common phrase, we don't. I gotta. So, I gotta. We see got to making a sound with a fast D. Gotta. The T with got and the T with to link together, making one sound. And that's a fast D. Gotta. The vowel. Gotta. The first vowel is open. Ah, ga, like stop and hot. I gotta. The second vowel is short sound like cup and up. Gotta. So first sound open, ga. Second sound close, duh. Gotta. I gotta run out to my car. Out to my car. We don't say out to, we say out to. Because the word to is not stressed, we say to, out to. Well, if the T is between vowels, why don't I link the sounds and say oughta, like I do gotta? We don't say oughta because oughta sounds like out of. I gotta run out to my car. I gotta run out to my car. Altogether, I gotta run out to my car. I'll be right back. With I will contraction, we don't say I'll, we say I'll. It's an open sound and it's a short sound. I'll be right back. With the word right, we don't release the T, we make a stop T. Right. I'll be right back. Also with a K in back, it's a stop K. We don't release the sound. We don't say back. We make the position and stop the air. Back. I make the position of the K, but I don't release the sound. I'll be right back. Altogether, I forgot my wallet. I gotta run out to my car. I'll be right back. I forgot my wallet. I gotta run out to my car. I'll be right back. Let's practice. Did you forget your wallet? Do you need to run out to your car? Will you be right back? Very good. That's right. I forgot my wallet. I gotta run out to my car. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. And if you want to get your comments and questions noticed, click the join button and become a member. We'll see you next time.